everybody, it's Anita, the Queen. This is my Talk to Me Tuesday, January 23rd, 2018. I am exhausted. I am not coming down with the flu. I repeat, I am not coming down with the flu. I did have a little one out last week that had RSV, and if anybody knows how that respiratory illness goes, it's pretty hard on a child and an elderly person and anyone that has a weakened immune system or a cardiovascular disorder, which happens to be my grandson. He has Epstein's anomaly, so he's just waiting out time to see when they would have to perform surgery. So until then, we need to keep him as well as possible. And RSV is one of those things that could really be fatal for him. So I was panicked when the mom called and told me they had just came from the emergency room and her little one had been diagnosed with it. And I've just been cleaning like crazy and doing triple sanitizing of every single thing. And it's a good thing that my grandson is a baby and is in one room and she's in the other room with the older kids. But still, just the fact that it's in the air just freaked me out. So I've been so tired from cleaning, disinfecting, throwing everything that can go in the washer and dryer to kill anything that could possibly have been on there, but bleaching out all the other hard surfaces and toys. And I didn't get much time to sew because of that. And then we had family meeting for getting my father into a nursing facility. Aside from that, I did get my pattern tested, and I'm not going to show it. I'll just show the back. And it is 15 by 20. You'll just have to wait and see if it gets approved to be put on the Fandom and Stitches. Tonight was quilting, so I got a chance to take my safari star up to the church and put two big tables together and lay it out, get it all sandwiched and trimmed down a little bit and pin basted it, and it's all ready for the long arm machine that they have there. So I'm going to try to get up there one day during the week after all the kids are gone, so I can just have a couple hours and just get that done and over with, and then hopefully have it bound and labeled over the weekend. That's my goal. We'll see how it goes. I'm being optimistic. If all else fails, I'll just have to wait till next Monday or maybe Saturday when they're having choir practice. I can get it done then because the church will be open almost all day. I have been talking it up to a lot of my friends and family and people that I know from the internet, and they're all excited. They can't wait to buy raffle tickets so they can try to win that quilt. So who knows, I might be able to make more than my first goal. I might have to do a second round of tickets because I already have the tickets ready, and I'm just brainstorming on ways to do it for people that aren't here local. And I'll probably just utilize PayPal and something like that, and do a live drawing so that everybody can actually be tuned in, you know, build up that momentum. My daughter gave me a gift card for Christmas for Amazon, so I've been spending on that a little bit here and there. This little baby came today, my little Steam Fast, and I can't wait to use it. It's going to be perfect when I start doing my other paper piecing. And I got a little purple thing. I always see everybody talking about them, so I got one just to see what the big kick is. Bought a new pattern for sleepers because I had one. I used to make sleepers for my kids when they were small, and I can't find it. It's probably at my mom's somewhere because that's the last time I remember making one was at her house on her machine. And it's a matter of looking through crates and crates and crates of patterns because she's got them from vintage way back in the 50s. But here's the fabric. He's my little Superman, so I'm going to make his first sleeper from maybe a Superman print, even though I'm more of a Marvel gal. Like I said earlier, we had quilting group tonight. So one of the benefits of sewing with a lot of ladies is they bring me their scraps from all of the things that they're working on. So I have loads and loads of, and they're actually, this could actually make a nice quilt instead of cutting them up for paper piecing. So I might even do that. Let's see. I don't think I have anything else to talk about. I'm going to drink my Theraflu in my Christmas cup. I'm going to go lay down in my room and relax and watch a movie. And I'll get up in the morning and edit this, which won't be too much editing. I might put a few pictures up from quilting group that we took tonight so that you can see what some of the ladies are working on. It's kind of weird. I'm looking over at my design wall and it's empty. There's nothing over there. So that's making me think I need to start working on something. I want to apologize, Jennifer. I was very late getting the blocks mailed off to you, but they did go out today, priority mail, so you should get them in a couple of days. I can't think if there was anything else that I wanted to talk about. I think that's it. Thanks everybody for your comments about my board. I'm going to also put a picture up that my sister showed on her Facebook. She was down for the weekend, like I said, planning for the things for my father. Just up here taking pictures, snap happy. So she actually got a picture of me in action doing some of my sewing and cutting and whatnot. She tried to be slick. I kind of caught her on the very first one. I didn't want to show a picture of a quilt that my mom was making, but since she has not finished it and it's a gift, I will have to hold off on putting that picture up. But like I said, I'm done. I'm going to go and get some rest because I'm tired. Usually when I'm tired like this, I'll end up catching a bug or a germ, and I really don't want to. Tomorrow I don't have my grandson. He does not come on Tuesdays. I only have 2 kids on the schedule for tomorrow, so I'll have a really relaxed day. I can get a few things done and put my feet up for a while they keep themselves entertained during free time. All right, everybody, that's it for me. So have a good week. Continue to be creative, and I look forward to seeing everybody's videos, and I apologize if I don't get a chance to comment right away. I will get around to them. Thanks for watching. Bye.